So, where there's too much things happening. I can't start a video when literally the entire game is starting in like 3 seconds. Like, bro. Oh, these things bounce. It's disgusting. Oh my god, I did this first try. I'm actually this good. Come on, guys, you're actually noob. Actually, imagine dying. Join the group for bigger rewards. Oh, didn't even get a chance. Oh my god, no, there's a hole in the wall. Come on. Cut this. Easy. See, easy. I even get 3 coins as well. Yes. Why did I just die? What is that? Get to the top. Oh my god. Oh my god, I thought you can jump on that. I'm actually gonna die. Come on. Come on, I'm meant to be good at parkour. What? No, you got to be joking. I thought I can shortcut that. Yeah, easy. Obviously did it first try. Look at this. Oh, look at this guy. What a dumb avatar. Aliens. Oh, you got to be joking. I've been sucked in by these aliens. Yeah, I'm gonna slow this in. And I'm probably gonna die. Yep. Wow. That was such a good event. Oh my god, how did that guy not die? Stay away from the pumpkin monster. Oh yeah, where is the pumpkin monster? Huh, I don't see it, so I think we're fine. Hey, you, what? You're gonna protect me, yeah? You like my body shield? Oh my god, what's going on there? Oh my god, I'm getting out of there. Gotta run. Get that guy, not me, alright? Ooh.
Nope.
Nah, why is it so fast? Bro, this is great. Wow. Did it actually survive? The monster has died. You got to be joking. How did that guy actually survive? Yes, give me all these coins. Have I joined this yet? Oh, I did. No, I don't want to pay looks. Enter the castle. What do you want me to do? Oh, you want me to do this? Oh my god. I'm gonna do this first try. You don't even understand how good I am. I didn't even get to beat it. Like, it's so dumb. Alright. Navigate through the landmines like it was nothing. Boom. So easy. Guys, you need to move on if you want to click the button. Come on, give me it. No, why did I fall over? What is this? I'm stuck. Alright. You guys are dead, alright? You guys are dead. Nah, why are you targeting me? What is this? Oh my god, I was the first person to die. This is so dumb. Survive the falling pads. Alright. Should be easy, right? Just stay in between two of them. Yep, like that. Jump on this one now. Oh, I just... What can you bite? Oh, never mind. I'm gonna beat this. Parkour master, parkour master. It gives me a chance to check out the shop. Shoot other players. 8,000 coins. Do you think I can afford? What can I afford now? Oh my god, I can nearly buy this. I need like 300 coins more. I don't know how I'm gonna get that much, but hopefully I can get it in this period of time. Oh, this guy has it. I want wings. Yeah, I'm just gonna move away now. Move to the other side of the... There we go. Where are we? We are in some kind of maze. The hell? None of us actually escaped. Bro, I didn't have chance! Oh my god. Bro, you got to jump. Look, not even a single this guy's hacking. Oh, never mind. Let me click the freaking button. Storm, eh? Storm. Let me just hide behind that button. Come on, nah. You can do it, mate. You can do it. Yes, there we go. Jesus Christ. Watch out for the mummy. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave them. I'm just gonna leave. I'm gonna hide. Oh wait, never mind. There's no collision on the pyramid, so I'm gonna hide behind this fence. Oh no, he's coming straight after me. Don't. Yeah. See, I better jump off the edge than actually die from the mummy. Look how ugly it is. It's killing everyone. At least that mummy didn't kill all of us. Watch out for snowballs. What do you mean? Those are snowballs. Oh my god, they're like meteors. Alright, slowly. How's that guy jumping so high? Alright, this is gonna be easy. No, so was aiming my direction. Wi-Fi or not? But I don't have Wi-Fi now. There better not be obstacles. I'm gonna go out, I'm gonna slide off. I'm gonna slide off. Man, walk faster, we're gonna die! Come on now. No! Why did I skip? Legged in. This Russian spy is actually a hacker. There's no way it's not. Okay then, tsunami. Alright, we need to climb up this ladder. I feel like we're gonna survive then. Oh my god, I went the wrong way. Come on. I'm not gonna Nah, you just... I hit my life.